Ever stared at your Chase statement and seen a charge that makes you say, wait, what? I didn't buy that. Open your Chase mobile app and sign in. You'll land on your account summary. Tap on the credit card account that has the disputed charge. This will bring up your recent transactions for that card. Scroll through your list of transactions until you find the one you want to dispute. Once you've located it, tap on the transaction. Now, look for an option that says Report a Problem or Dispute Transaction. The wording might be slightly different, but tap that button. You'll see a list of reasons for disputing the charge. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. You will be prompted to provide more details about why you're disputing the charge. Be as clear and concise as possible. Include dates, specific amounts, and any relevant information. Double-check all the information you've entered to make sure it's accurate, and then tap the Submit or Dispute button to finalize your claim. You'll receive a confirmation message acknowledging your dispute. Chase will then investigate the issue, and you'll be notified of their decision. Typically, it takes 3,060 days.